Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP update. Now, yet another prediction I got right, okay? Now I like to actually analyze where the hell am I going. Okay, so 80% prediction, which was this was right. Prediction number one to get true. Prediction number two is a bear flag, and I told you it's gonna come down to these levels. Prediction number two is right. Prediction number three was that when we went up to this place, I was talking about a potential, A, B, C correction. This one is already played out, and I said recently that you do have a falling wedge, which was this one, and you're gonna break out. And I gave you the technical target of this, and guys, you're right on the money. Absolutely went and hit the target on the bullseye. And yesterday, what did I tell you? You are making an ascending triangle. You do have 2 to 3 days of decision to come in. All the videos, if you're new to the channel, is in my channel. I mean, like, pretty much again, I'm the first one on YouTube actually who is predicting SLP 100% right at this point of time. And guys, if you want to know how I'm doing all of these things, I do have a course for you. Check the course if you're serious about learning, and I can teach you all of this stuff. And the Discord is free. You can actually join the Discord of Ardent Coins right there. And if you guys can talk whatever the hell you want to talk about, we do have an SLP channel. Okay. Today we saw SLP going to 235, and that was not like a whooping, you know, like my entry was down here, so I'm actually like nearly for now I'm 22% up, but this was like 35% shoot to the upside, guys. What the hell? Now we are on the verge of a bull cross. Let me bring in the EMAs and let's talk about the EMAs, okay? So on the EMAs, you do have the 10 and the 20 crossing one another. So this is one half of the most amazing sign that you're gonna have, okay? And now the 55 is coiling up like this. Now the 10 should come up and the 20 should come up. And remember, we still haven't made the cross just yet, but we're about to do that. And I think it's gonna make the cross. And I'm gonna tell you why it's gonna make the cross, because I see in the next 6 days alone, you're gonna see SLP actually coming in back to the 40 regions here. I do think in the next 5 to 6 days, in the next 7 days, you're about to do so, because on the weekly you're super bullish. You're about to make a bull cross. And this one, the clue comes on the monthly time frame. It seems like there's a wick up here, and this is like a bullish. I don't know, it's bullish Marubozu. Do you call it bullish Marubozu or what? But this candlestick seems like it's a bullish candlestick, and the prices are meant to actually go to take out the wick of that candlestick. It means somewhere, down the road, we're gonna have so SLP to cross this level and actually continue. In my opinion, it's gonna go with ease up to the 0.0740, and which is actually the yellow 10 EMA. Do you see this yellow line? It's actually the 10 EMA. So, and the 10 EMA is the first one, okay, so, on the monthly time frame. So it does make sense to actually go up to this level, and then who knows, after this one, make a sideways consolidation and then continue with the uptrend or dump to the downside. Who knows? But to me, I'm still gonna applaud you whatever comes in along the way. But in my opinion, SLP right now, man, damn it, I've told you before that it's amazing. And now on the Discord, I did even have like my own signal where my members are invested, so they are high. They're up like 20% right now. So yeah, we're gonna see when we're gonna cash out, guys. Now anyways, we do have a bullish cross pending here, and this would be absolutely amazing if that happens. Now there is a chance that SLP can actually come down again to this trend line. Who knows? It's still a trend line nonetheless, but that wouldn't be negative at all. So if I extend this trend line like this one, yes, we could still have SLP come down a little bit, touch the trend line, and then move like this, and then boom, or make even a very large, bigger ascending triangle. And then from here, you go all the way to the other section over there. So to me, it's still okay. It's still looking pretty. It's amazing. But what I just noticed right now is a hold of support here. I'm going to show you this support level. So you've broken out of that support on the daily, and this is what you're holding, right? So right now you can see that you had rejection here, you had rejection here, one rejection there, and there, and there, and there, and now you broke out of it and you're holding it. And if you look at the volume, the volume is a little bit decent, yeah, not like this one over here. But what I'm gonna say is that you broke out of this level and you also broke out of the volume, so there's no divergence. It's absolutely amazing. I think this is a legit breakout, and from here you're looking to continue to the upside. This is fantastic. It's superb, and I think it's a good idea to actually ride the bull cross until we don't get the bear cross somewhere down the road in the future. So I'm gonna be holding it for a long time, I guess. Now it seems like it's a coin that can even give you 10x. Like, who knows? I've seen coins like this giving 10x. For example, SHIB. I've been buying SHIB when it was down, and we did get a 10x out of SHIB. But anyway, that's it for the update. If you guys want to learn more about technical analysis, again, I do recommend you this course. No bullshit. You buy it once and you're gonna get future updates as well. As long as I'm learning, you're gonna keep learning. That means that if I'm learning some new stuff, I'm gonna be making some videos and upload to that course so that you can learn as well. So it's like having a real life mentor who is learning along the way and teaching you along the way. So you buy once, you keep it forever. You don't need any additional extra cost or anything. And there's a lot of contents there, a lot of hours put in for the course to teach you as best as I can. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. I love it.